Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. My name is Vanessa if you are new here, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. We have made it to the end of Vlogmas, and I am so excited to share with you my what I got for Christmas video. So the first thing that I actually got for Christmas I have set up right now to better the lighting. If you can't already tell, the lighting is pretty immaculate and I'm very excited about it. But I got a ring light that's on a tripod right now, and the ring light is basically for my phone. However, I'm sure I can get an attachment that will be good for my camera as well, but for right now I'm just like using two different tripods, so it works out still. But I'm very excited about the ring light because I had a Dad. Because originally I had a cheaper ring light and it broke like instantly basically, so I would just highly recommend purchasing a tripod that's a little bit more higher quality right off the bat so you don't have to deal with that. Same with like a tripod in general. I guess I'll get into what Dom got for me. Dom is my boyfriend if you didn't know. I asked for the Julia necklace from Miranda Fry for Christmas, and this is what it looks like. If you don't know Julia Havens here on YouTube, she kind of like co-created this necklace with Miranda Fry, and I've wanted a piece of Miranda Fry jewelry for a while now. So I'm very excited to add this to my stack because I have a very sturdy stack right now, but like I want it to grow. So I think this will be a really nice touch. Dom also got me this hoodie from Aritzia. It is from the TNA collection, and TNA is my favorite loungewear brand from Aritzia. They are such high quality loungewear pieces. They are on the more expensive side, but they are seriously the absolute best, and I already have a set from them, so I got another one for Christmas, and my sister actually got me the matching bottoms to go with this crop hoodie. So they have not come yet actually, but that's the whole set that I got. Next, I literally just got a ton of new underwear and bras from Aerie and Victoria's Secrets for Christmas. I needed these so much. I feel like these are just like a necessity that you literally can't go wrong with getting for someone for Christmas because you always need them. So I certainly needed some new bras and underwear, and that's what I got. For my stocking stuffers, my mom got me this Bath & Body Works body wash and 2 hand sanitizers, very fitting for the COVID season, but she always gets us those. And then she also gave us some Andes mints and these really cute hot chocolate bombs, which are all of the rage this year. I don't know who came up with them, but they are genius, and everyone I'm sure has heard about them, and I'm very excited to try one for myself. The next thing that I got is this little necklace here that has my initial on it from Nordstrom. It's just another like longer necklace that I thought would be really good to add to my necklace stack as well. So I'm very excited to see what this looks like with everything else on. All right, the next 2 items that I got are actually a full size of the Olaplex No. 5 conditioner and the No. 4 shampoo. And I wanted these because my hairdresser actually uses them when I go to get my hair done, and I have heard just amazing things about all of the Olaplex like line in general. It's just really great for your hair, really helps it keep it healthy, and that is exactly what I needed. Also, apparently you only need a little bit of each of these products. You don't need a ton, so little goes a long way. So I got this for literally everyone in my life, and I think it's a really great gift, so I'm very excited to use this. Going in the same direction with hair, my favorite dry shampoo of all time is the Way Super Dry Shampoo, and I just recently ran out, so I got a restock of this, and it is my favorite, like I said. So you definitely need to try this if you haven't already. Also going in the same direction with beauty, I got a restock of my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is my favorite setting powder and I'm about to run out, so I took the opportunity to ask Santa to get me a refill of this. Something completely random that my mom got me for Christmas is the Holiday in Handcuffs DVD. I love this movie and I watch it every single year for Christmas, but within the past year I haven't really been able to find it on TV or like Netflix or anything, so she got it for me on DVD, even though DVDs I don't really have anywhere to really watch this, but I could watch it here, so I'll keep this at my parents' house. Another random thing that I asked for is a steamer, just because with all of the clothes that come in for like brands and things like that, I immediately put them up on a specific rack and they always come like pretty wrinkly, so a lot of the items too you can actually just like iron, so I felt like a steamer just is necessary at this point because it will help get out wrinkles so much faster. I feel like an adult talking about this, but I feel like this is essential, so I'm very excited to like use this instead of an iron now. The only piece of like fashion that I asked for Christmas was a new pair of Spanx faux leather leggings, but these are like the patent leather ones and I am so excited about these. You can see how like shiny they are. They're super comfortable, and if you've never tried on a pair of Spanx leggings before, they are seriously the best. They're super comfortable but look super fashionable, and I always get compliments about the original faux leather leggings that I wear whenever I have them on. So I wanted to get a different pair, so I opted for this pair this year. This is an item that I have been wanting for a while. It's a JBL Charge 4 speaker. I actually broke this out a little bit before Christmas just because we were painting my sister's room and we wanted to play some music. Well, I did, but this speaker is so awesome. It plays music so well. It's portable, it's wireless obviously, and it's also waterproof. So this is a really great gift, but it is on the more expensive side, but not as expensive as other speakers, so it's definitely a great investment. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this to anyone because it is so good. Another tech item that I feel like I definitely needed is like a laptop stand for on top of my desk, and that's just because that is where I work all of the time and my neck and my back hurt like hell after the day for sitting there for hours on end, and like I have the worst posture. So I've heard great things about these for on desks, and I'm really hoping that this is going to help my posture and lessen the pain in my neck and back after like a days of work. Oh god. And then lastly, I can't even fit this in the frame, I got a Cuisinart pots and pans set, and it's a stainless steel set. So I got this on Black Friday for a really great deal, and my mom and I like purchased a like thing of pots and pans when I went to college for like $20 from Walmart, and they are like paper thin now. They are worn, they have been beaten down time after time again, so I definitely needed to get a new pots and pans set, and especially like once I move out again, these will come in handy. So I'm very excited about these. I feel like another adult item, but very necessary, and it's the perfect time to ask for things like this. So this was like my most wanted item for Christmas just because I felt like it was the most needed item. And most of these items that I asked for were items that were very like practical, not like things that I would wear like for once throughout the year or something and then like wouldn't wear it again. Like, got a lot of functional items, which is really great, and I feel like that's again when you know you're getting to be an adult. So thank you so much for watching my what I got for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Spend time with your family if you are able, and make sure to stay safe. I will talk to you guys soon. I have one more video coming out before the new year, and then I am off to take a break. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.